Hello friends, welcome to Share Knowledge. Today I will show you how to delete user ID in SAP. It's actually normal task. As a SAP basis person, you are using SU01 T-Code for ID creation, deletion, addition, role, deletion or everything. All user information handled by SU01 ID, right? So in normal case, if you click delete button, then ID will be deleted. But if you click on deletion button and if ID not delete and instead of give any dump, then at that time what we can do? Okay, so let's start. First I will show you normal ID deletion SU01. Okay, here we have one example ID test. Okay, in normal cases we just put ID here and click delete button. Okay, delete button, system give a message user test is to be deleted, mail user will also be deleted. Okay, so here we can yes. Okay, now it's ID deleted, here you can see. Okay, but in now we used delete second ID. Okay, if in this ID we click delete button, then it should be same like test ID, right? It should be deleted, but it's compared to delete, it give a error message type X. So okay, in message type X, here you can see in the dump, in ST22 also you can check this dump. Here in the dump not give much information, but here dump mention 1 to 2 lines. Okay, so just back and just check it ST22. Okay, in ST22 one dump generated. Okay, here the dump, double click and here we can see, but here you have to find 2 to 3 lines this type of message type X, CL address persistency and if address modified delete. So it's related something address, right? So for this keyword SAP given a one not. Okay, this is the not. Correction report inconsistent field APPL underscore key in table AD RVP. Whenever we create any ID, it entry stored in table USR21 and the second ADRVP. In ADRVP, this column contains 2 tables column. Here you can check the person table, the reference table, and here example. Actually normal situation MANDT means it's a client number and USR21 have a one B name column. It's here example tester ID and this table have another column EPPL. In 2 table combination it should reflect in ADRP table, but in some cases you can check same scenario, but the problem is system give error. So at that time SAP give one program with this not. Okay, here also they attached one program. What you do, you just copy this program and input in your system through ABAP cell, because without ABAPing you cannot add SC38 or executable program. Okay, now they mentioned all the normal procedure. Okay, now we have already created this program. So now we will go SA38 or SC38 whatever you, and here we have already program. Just click. Okay, here click. Here now we can check ID, which ID we used and didn't able to delete. 112159. Okay, 112159. Okay, now in this program you have option only user entry. Okay, and the second test run is like a preview. Okay, here if you click it will give a message if it's problem. Inconsistent entry means yes, this user have a inconsistency entry. What you do, you do nothing, just remove test one and just execute it. After executing, the error should be solved. Okay, now all entries are correct. It is actually SAP standard program, so SAP automatically remove all the inconsistency. Now we will go and delete, try to again this ID SU01. Now we will click on delete button. It give a message yes to be deleted, and now we will give a yes. Yeah, now it's message. Okay, now you can check the ID deleted and no any dump generated. So is actually it is a simple SAP standard program, and sometimes SAP have a very big system, so this is the inconsistency. It's normal. So just don't do anything, just open this note, download the program, and also I will put this note and program in description, so you can take it from here also. Okay, I hope you like information and video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe.